Dear students, let us begin our science class. We are learning about changes in our environment. Today, we are going to learn about reduce, reuse, and recycle, the triple R. We should follow the 3 R's of environmental protection: reduce, reuse, and recycle to conserve the Earth's natural resources. Reuse, reduce, and recycle. These 3 R words are an important part of substantial living as they help to cut down on the amount of waste we have to throw away. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. They are really simple. Reduce the amount of waste which we produced daily. Reuse items as much as we can before replacing them with a new one. Recycle items whenever possible. Using the 3 R's also helps to minimize the amount of space needed for landfill sites where waste materials are disposed of. Now let us understand reduce separately. Reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create daily. Reduce the ways which we can use to reduce. We are supposed to buy only what we need. We should choose products with less packaging. We should buy items in bulk. We should look for items that we can reuse. So this will reduce the items to be bought by us. We should reduce the wastage of resources, such as a bucket and mug should be used to take bath instead of using the shower. Food in the plate should be taken only as much as we need so that the food is not wasted. Things should be bought only when we need them. We should use the cloth bag for shopping instead of plastic bags, and we should not accept plastic bags. Reuse, the second R. Reuse means using items more than once. Reuse means to refill a water bottle with water from home instead of buying a new one. We should update the computer rather than throwing it and getting a replacement with a new one. We should ditch plastic bags or get rid of plastic bags and choose reusable, environment friendly bags instead. Those bags made up of cloth. Reuse the items more than once. One example of conventional reuse is doorstep delivery of milk in glass bottles. Other examples include retreating of tires and the use of returnable, reusable plastic boxes, shipping containers instead of single-use corrugated fiberboard boxes. These fiberboard boxes, they are made into different shapes and then the things are transported. So what we are supposed to do, they are used for once only. So we should replace those with returnable and reusable plastic boxes. You can see here the different items made of the old items into a new one. So new face has been given to old items. This is reuse. See here, the cold drink bottles, they are converted into plant pots. These are the containers in which different items have been bought, but after getting over, the container is used as filling container. Recycle, the third R. Recycle means putting a product at a new use instead of throwing it away. We can recycle paper, metal, cardboard, plastic, and glass. The third R is about making sure we separate items that can be recycled, meaning they can be used for a new purpose. So, we should make sure that we give our items, used items, for recycling purpose. Recycle is use of old items in a new form. For example, use a refillable water bottle instead of buying individual plastic bottles of water. We should write or print on both sides of paper. We should put our sandwich in a reusable plastic container instead of using a plastic bag that gets thrown away after once used. These are the few of the list of items which can be recycled: newspaper, cardboard, aluminium cans, magazines, office paper, glass jars, HDPE plastic, mixed paper, steel, tin cans, PET plastic. All these items can be recycled. The unused pages of old notebooks should be used for rough work and practice. So, what we are doing, we are not wasting the unused pages of notebooks. Metal items, canes, broken glass materials, and plastic items should be recycled in factories to make new things. So, these items should not be dumped here and there, rather, they should be taken to the recycle factories. Notebooks or notebook papers should be bought, the ones that have been made from using recycled paper. Thank you, children. What we learned today is reduce, reuse, and recycle. And I hope that you are going to use these 3 R's in your day to day life from now onwards. Thank you, children. Have a great day.